Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading, and I just wanted to give you a setup in TSM. I am really not familiar with this stock. It's the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturer, but I had a request for it in my room today, so I wanted to show you the setup because I do like it. The setup is 125.15 to 125.18. It has bounced. If this low is any good from yesterday, then your target is going to be 146.77 and 152.59. Now the next question we want to ask ourselves is, has it triggered? Let's see if it's triggered on a 5-minute chart for a day trade. And yes, it has. It did right back here. Let's go ahead and look and see if it's triggered on a 15-minute chart for a swing trade. Yes, it did. It triggered today. So here is the trigger right here. So let's go ahead and look at that setup just one more time. You have your setup 125.15 to 125.18. You have your trigger. So you may enter the trade. And then now you're going to manage the trade. And what we mean by manage is when we start getting up here into the targets, which are the green numbers. They are green because it means take your money. You want to trail up your stops. All right, everybody, I hope you have an awesome rest of the day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.